Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Things to know about running out of gas. Running out of gas is more common than you might think. It's an inconvenience that can quickly turn into a risky situation if you're not prepared. Knowing how to handle it can save time, money, and stress. In this video, we'll cover the 4 essential things you need to know when you find yourself on the empty side of the fuel gauge. Whether you're a seasoned driver or new to the road, these tips will help you navigate this all-too-familiar scenario with confidence. Understanding the risks of running out of gas. Running out of gas is more than just a minor inconvenience. It can lead to safety risks and even damage your vehicle. Knowing these risks can help you avoid potential problems and keep you and your car safe on the road. Safety hazards. Running out of gas can leave you stranded in places that are not safe. Imagine being stuck on a busy highway with cars zooming by at high speeds. It's not just annoying, it's dangerous. You could be hit by another vehicle or face other hazards like bad weather or low visibility. Unsafe locations. You might run out of gas in a remote area where help isn't easily available. This can be particularly risky at night or in bad weather, making you a target for accidents or even crime. Busy highways. Being stranded on a busy road puts you in immediate danger. Other drivers may not expect a stationary vehicle, increasing the chance of an accident. Getting out of your car to push it or seek help also puts you at risk. Always keep an eye on your fuel gauge to avoid these dangerous situations. It's a simple habit that can save you from a lot of trouble. Vehicle damage. Running out of gas isn't just bad for your safety, it's also bad for your car. When your fuel tank runs dry, it can cause damage to several parts of your vehicle. Fuel pump. The fuel pump relies on gasoline to stay cool and lubricated. Running out of gas can cause it to overheat and fail, leading to costly repairs. Fuel injectors. Debris and sediment that settle at the bottom of your gas tank can get sucked into the fuel injectors when you run out of gas. This can clog them and reduce your car's performance. Engine components. Without gas, the engine can misfire, which may damage components like the spark plugs and cylinders. In the long run, regularly filling up your gas tank helps maintain your vehicle's health and performance. Taking care of these small details can prevent bigger problems down the road. Immediate steps to take when you run out of gas. Finding yourself out of gas can be stressful, but knowing what steps to take next can make all the difference. Here are some crucial actions to help you stay safe and get back on the road quickly. Pull over safely. The first thing you need to do when you realize you're running out of gas is to pull over safely. This step is critical to ensure your safety and the safety of other drivers on the road. Find a safe spot. If you're on a highway, look for the nearest exit. If you can't make it to an exit, pull over to the right shoulder as far from traffic as possible. Slow down gradually. Don't panic and slam on the brakes. Gradually slow down and steer your vehicle smoothly to the side of the road. Turn on emergency flashers. As soon as you start to slow down, turn on your hazard lights. This alerts other drivers that you're experiencing trouble. It's important to remain calm. Acting hastily can increase the risk of an accident. Prioritize finding a safe spot where you and your vehicle are out of harm's way. Signal for help. Once you're safely pulled over, the next step is to signal for help. Making your predicament visible can speed up assistance and keep you safe while you wait. Use hazard lights. Keep your hazard lights on at all times to make your vehicle more visible, especially in low light conditions. Set up safety triangles. If you have safety triangles, set them up behind your vehicle to alert oncoming traffic. Place them about 10 feet apart, starting 20 feet behind your car. Call for roadside assistance. Use your mobile phone to contact roadside assistance. Most services can bring fuel to your location or tow your car to the nearest gas station. Stay in your vehicle. Unless you're in immediate danger, stay inside your car with the doors locked. Exiting the vehicle can put you at risk, especially on busy roads. By following these steps, you'll not only increase your visibility to other drivers but also ensure that help arrives as quickly as possible. It's all about staying safe and making sure others know you need help. Preventative measures to avoid running out of gas. Avoiding the hassle of running out of gas is all about being proactive. Simple habits and tools can help you manage your fuel levels effectively and ensure you never get stranded. Regularly check fuel levels. One of the easiest ways to avoid running out of gas is to make a habit of regularly checking your fuel gauge. This simple step can be a lifesaver, especially during long trips. Before you drive, check your fuel level before you start your car. Make it part of your routine, just like checking your mirrors and seatbelt. While driving, keep an eye on your fuel gauge during your drive. If you notice it's getting low, find a gas station sooner rather than later. Weekly checks. Even if you're not planning a long trip, check your fuel level at least once a week. It's a quick and easy task that can prevent a lot of trouble. By making these checks a regular habit, you can avoid the stress and danger of running out of gas unexpectedly. Thanks for watching part 1 of our series on running out of gas. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive deeper into additional tips and precautions to keep in mind. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.